Ayan na, Jun. Ayan na. Oh my God. Alaka, 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 alaka. Ay, ang galing oh. Ni daddy mo oh. Nakita mo? Sunod, sunod. Tingnan mo, oo. Oo, sabi ko sa'yo, di ba? Oo nga, napansin mo? Parang, okay. Ayan na, Jun! Alaka! Oh, wabali wala sa kanya, oh. Inanod na, tinan mo. Naku, ang laki, oh my God! Sisid! Ah! Ala. Ayan, kaya yan. Kaya yan ni Jun.
Looks like a boat.
Yo. Ayan na si Baby Ruth there. Naku, ayan na Baby Ruth. Ayos, okay. Naku, patay. Ayan na. Gilid na siya, oh. Ah, lumampa. Galing. Ay, hindi ko nakuha. Ayan, sobra, no? Oh, andyan na sa'yo. Naku, ang laki nito. Ate Cecil, oh. Oh my God, surf. Ayan na si Baby Ruth. Hala. Naku, Ate Cecil. Ang lalaki. Hala. Ay, nakatingin na yung ano, yung lifeguard. Anak ko, ayan na. Tignan mo yung lifeguard ako sa akin. Alert na. Nako, balik na, balik na. Oh my God, ayan na. Another one. Iniwanan na ni Jun. Balik na, balik na. Ayan, oh my God. Ate! Ang laki! Judith!
Oo nga, hello.
Oh my God, ayan na.
Come back.
She will. We're trying. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, oh. Oh my God. Ah! Oo, dyan lang siya. Tama yan.
I wanna do sandcastle.
Oh, okay. Okay. No, 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 no. Later, later, my love. Yeah, but you only have a bucket. Ay, ganon. Si Judith, oh. Sige ka. Later. She wants to swim. Oh my God, big wave, Ate Cecil. Malo. Lo. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, another one. Surfing! Ay, ay, ay. Oh, yeah, no, later na lang. We're gonna eat first, okay?
Me, I'm not hungry.
No, I mean me. I'm hungry. You mean you wanna make a sand castle over there? Or you can pretend you have a sand here. Just pretend you have a sand here. Just use your imagination. Yeah, can you do that?
Imagination.
Huh?
The grape is almost the biggest.
No, 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 it's not. It will grow more. You're, oh, you're gonna be more smarter than, you know, when you grow up, you're gonna be more smarter. Oh my God, this is a big wave. Look at that. Non-stop.
What? Why is my mom so quiet?
She's with your dad.
My dad?
Yeah, dad is there. Tita Judith.